guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and today is my last day in this city. Look at the beautiful view, man. The city is quite stunning, quite good, but right now Argentina and southern hemisphere, it's in cold weather, so it's winter this side. So we are trying to escape the winter and going towards the northern hemisphere. But I think in the mountains of even the northern side there will be slight a bit cold, which is actually some of the famous areas that I want to go before we go to the beach side. So today is my last day in Buenos Aires, and I was actually staying at the hostel there. I had a little argument with them, man. So I gave my laundry, which got delayed, and I told them, please send the laundry now to my room. I have been asking you guys like 3 times already. I cannot come back again and again. And the staff guy was like, we are not sending it to your room. And I was like, I'm not coming back here again to ask you. It's already 3 times. It's not my problem. So I wrote a comment on Google, and then I got my laundry in like 5 minutes. So yeah, that was it. Writing review is the easiest thing to get things done, especially in these Western countries. So first, let's go and eat something. It's so cold, man. Look at, yo, Jesus, what's happened? Oh, there is another dog. So I hate dogs because of this. Wow. Don't mind my body being like this because it's cold. So let's go eat something, and then I show you guys the famous obelisk, the center area where they all celebrated in 2022.
Ahora,
Lentil.
tipo feijoada,
Okay.
¿sí? Con vegan, tofu
Yeah.
y soya.
Okay. Noche. Yeah. How can I open this? Oh, okay. Thank you. Guys, this was the restaurant you see behind, and right now they are closed. They are like partying. So this is like a vegan place. I was like, let me eat today good, but it's closed. I am so hungry in Argentina. Argentina, no matter how much money I spend on food, no matter how much, on one small meal, like small portion of meal, I spend 20, 30, $25, and it tastes shit. I don't know why I'm making this video to speak shit about the country. Better I shut my camera off, man. This is embarrassing. I'm vlogging and I want to take you guys to city center to see the obelisk, but all I can speak is shit about this country. Guys, see, some countries you just cannot like, okay? You just cannot. And somehow this is one of those for me. I came here in the winter. Food is bad, expensive, tasteless, inorganic. What else? I don't know what else to say. Wow, this street is so quiet, man. It looks like a ghost town. But look at these buildings. These are very old buildings. You see these houses, they are very old. And the architecture is very similar to European architecture. So look at these buildings. This is the only good thing I see here, old architecture. That's it. So we are going to eat just toast and jam. I hope so. That will be good. So let's do that. Crossing one side where I saw like homeless people in Argentina yesterday. Let's see if they are still here or not. Oh, they are. You see, this is the area for like homeless people. My goodness, guys. Then these people, they come to Asia to make videos about homelessness. when their countries are already suffering with it. You see there. So yeah, it's like even yesterday I saw them, but I was not vlogging yesterday. So guys, this was my food, and this is like a sweet cake. So I was talking about food in Argentina. Sorry my voice because it's so cold. And food in Argentina have no taste at all. Like it's all rubber and plastic. I just eat here to survive. That's it. भाई ये इतना केमिकल से प्रोसेस्ड वाला खाना है ना, जैसे मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ भाई, इसमें कुछ फ्रेशनेस है ही नहीं है खाने में. मैं खाने बनाने का तरीका नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कुकिंग स्टाइल. ओके, आई कैन ईट with salt and pepper food. I'm okay. I'm not those Indian who need spices. I love spice, but I can eat salt and pepper. It's okay. I'm talking about the ingredients. The ingredients that you find in Argentina, they are like purely plastic, rubber, pesticides, and chemicals. Wow, it's so cold. So guys, I left that food only half eaten because it was tasting like rubber, you know. And now we are going towards the monument, the most famous monument in Argentina. It's so cold. Wow. Actually, I have seen this so many times, but I didn't make the video. So I'm just going to show you guys. I have seen it like already, and people are collecting garbage from the trash can. You see, बुरा हाल है भाई. यहाँ पे लोग कचरेदान से खाना ढूंढ के खाते हैं भाई, मतलब अर्जेंटीना में. So yo, this is like the main road area, very near to Obelisk. So we are quite close, like exactly there. Look at the map. भाई शंघाई एक्सप्रेस, मेरा मन कर रहा है वहाँ जाकर खाना खाऊं एक और बार. Guys, so look at this obelisk. So originally this monument or type of construction, it's from North Africa, but they have this in Buenos Aires, Argentina also. And many of you might know, like, this is the very famous area. So when Argentina, they won the World Cup, this area was like totally full, like from there till there, all direction. It was like this was the place where people came to celebrate when they won the World Cup in 2022. So right here. Whew. Actually, I was living around this area like 800 meters around. So I saw it many times but didn't vlog, as I said. So you see right behind me, all this road was like full of celebration, like totally full. We are standing right in that road. So भाई जो भी इंडिया में फुटबॉल देखता है उसके लिए है, उसको पक्का पता होगा ये जगह. So nice, interesting. Let's walk around, and today we have a flight at 6 a.m. in the morning to Salta province. So we need to head back to the airport around 3 a.m. something like that. This is like the downtown area. Look at these buildings, man. All this building and road is amazing, but the economy is so bad of this country right now. Like, economy is suffering literally. $1 is around 1400 Argentinian pesos, and if you are paying by card, they will always charge you like $10-20% extra. Yo, people are suffering, but the city is so good. Like, look at the streets, and so many crime and homelessness also, यार. यहाँ पे आपका फ़ोन, कैमरा, पैसे कभी भी चोरी हो सकता है. You have to be careful. So many theft, Like all the Asian people, whenever I'm going to eat Chinese food, they're like, take care of your phone. So everyone is warning me. Wow. Look at this. Shops. This is like chocolate and incense and flowers. बढ़िया भाई, ये यहाँ का डाउनटाउन था, घूम लिया हमने और ज़्यादा कुछ इससे ज़्यादा स्पेशल नहीं है यहाँ पे। एक आप रिवर साइड ओशन वाली तरफ जा सकते हो, बट बहुत ठंड है भाई वहाँ जाने के लिए। हम तो ना जा रहे, अगली बार देखेंगे। Good morning. We are going to the airport. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Actually, let me show you. So it's 3 a.m. literally, you see. And we are flying to north of Argentina. Then we will try to cross border to Chile. So let's, like, not today, in 1 or 2 days, of course. I could hitchhike or take bus today also, but it's my first time in Latin America. I like to stay in different cities, so I will stay a few days, then we'll go to Chile and try to explore some places. So welcome to this video. भाई अर्जेंटीना की सिर्फ एक ही बात मुझे अभी तक बुएनो आयरिस की अच्छी लगी, इस शहर की सिर्फ एक ही बात फ़िलहाल, कि यहाँ पे जो हवाई अड्डा है वो सिटी के बहुत पास है, सिर्फ 8 किलोमीटर सिटी सेंटर से। अब बस 30-40 किलोमीटर जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिल्कुल लिटरली सिटी सेंटर के बीच में है। ये सबसे बढ़िया बात है इस शहर की। साल्ता सिटी है ये, तो इस जगह के आसपास ना फुट हिल्स हैं एंडेस माउंटेन का, तो सबसे फेमस माउंटेन ज्योग्राफी साउथ अमेरिका की। सो वो बाकी बढ़िया यार, चलते हैं, पहुंचते हैं हॉस्टल। So guys, I reached Salta. This is like a very small town and बड़ी ओल्ड फैशन वाइब भी आ रही है यहाँ पे। जो मेन सेंटर की स्ट्रीट है वो तो बड़ी मतलब ओल्ड फैशन है, यूरोपियन आर्किटेक्चर दिख रहा है, बट इस रोड के बाहर जाओ थोड़ा बहुत तो बहुत मतलब अनडेवलप टाइप गांव जैसी वाइब आ रही है। तो मैं साल्ता में हूँ यार, यहाँ पे एंडेस माउंटेन भी है, इफ़ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट। तो आई थिंक पेरू, बोलिविया, चिले, अर्जेंटीना, इन देशों में आपको ये स्पेसिफिक, जैसे इंडिया नेपाल वगैरह में है ना हिमालय, तो यहाँ पे उसको बोलते हैं, इनका जो जोग्राफिकल माउंटेन जो बहुत फेमस है एंडेस माउंटेन, एंड उसकी फॉर्मेशन आगे जाके उसके बारे में बात करेंगे चिले की वीडियोस में। आई होप सो वहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर कर पाएंगे। यहाँ पे मैं 1-2 दिन ही रुकने वाली हूँ साल्ता में। इट्स लाइक अ टाउन एंड आई थिंक चिले का जो थोड़ा सा डेजर्ट एरिया है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है घूमने फिरने के लिए। और बहुत ठंड है, मैं कितनी बार बोलूँ बट बहुत ठंड है भाई। इवन इस टाउन में भी, मैं नॉर्थ में आ गई हूँ, ठीक है, बहुत दूर, एटलीस्ट 1500-1000 किलोमीटर दूर आई हूँ मैं बुएनो आयरिस से ऊपर की तरफ, ठीक है। ऊपर की तरफ गर्मी होनी चाहिए बट यहाँ पे फिर भी ठंड है, तो आई थिंक गर्मी पेरू के बाद ही शुरू होगी। तो अभी बहुत सफ़र पड़ा है, मे बी आई नीड टू बाई जैकेट। सो yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was a very normal video, but this is how life is in Argentina. I'll come back again to this country for Antarctica tour and Patagonia next time. But for now, ये ठंड हमसे ना बर्दाश्त हो पा रही एंड मैं मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड होके नहीं आई थी, ठीक है। अगर मैं मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ कि मुझे 1 महीना ठंड में रहना है, इट्स फाइन, आई विल डील विद इट, बट राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द कोल्ड, दैट्स लाइक द इशू। सो या, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग रैंट अबाउट अर्जेंटीना। इस बार मतलब आई डोंट हेट दिस कंट्री एंड आई डोंट लव दिस कंट्री, इट्स जस्ट ओकेश, यू नो, या लाइक जस्ट ओके। सो ये वीडियो भाई यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। लेट्स मेक अनदर व्लॉग ऑफ साल्ता टाउन नियर Andes mountain. Am I pronouncing it right? Andes? How do you say it? So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and let me Google how to pronounce the name of this mountain zone. And yeah, so this is the coffee shop I'm sitting at. Nice. Cheers.